Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. In this video, I'm not going to talk about penny stocks or in stocks in general. This video is going to be the first video of many videos I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency. And in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about CHIA. This is the new cryptocurrency that is not traded yet, but you can already farm and mine it. This cryptocurrency is scheduled to be traded on May 3rd, which is next Monday. So that is just a few days away. In this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about this cryptocurrency. And just to give you an idea, I'm so interested in it that I'm actually building myself a mining rig the first time in my life. I've actually built the rig already. And in my next video, I'm going to show you guys what parts I bought and how I build everything and how it's going to work. So if you want to see the next video about the mining rig, make sure you click the subscribe button so you're not going to miss it. And now let's dive right into that cryptocurrency. So what is CHIA? CHIA was incorporated in August 2017 to develop an improved blockchain and smart transaction platform. They are building the CHIA network to improve the global financial and payment system. So the main difference between the CHIA and all other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin is those cryptocurrencies, they need a proof of work. So people buy CPUs, they buy GPUs, and you can see the shortage on the market. Probably a lot of guys heard that it's really hard to buy a GPU right now. This cryptocurrency is different because this cryptocurrency is the first one that is using the proof of space and time. And it was created by Bram Cohen, the best network protocol engineer alive, and he is inventor of the BitTorrent. So the biggest thing about this cryptocurrency is what they call a green cryptocurrency. With the GPUs and CPU mining, you're using a lot of electricity and you have dedicated hardware that was bought just for that, for mining and mining. The main idea behind CHIA is pretty much you can mine or farm, if you want, this cryptocurrency by using your empty hard drive space. So pretty much anyone out there who have a little bit of hard drive space can start mining this cryptocurrency while he is still doing his project for school, video editing, or whatever. He's only going to be using hard drives. And the big important thing about this being green, GPUs or video cards, they're using a lot of electricity. Hard drives barely use any. So it has a dramatically lower impact on the electrical grid and, of course, on your electrical bill. So even this project started in August 2017. The mining started just about a month ago. So to show you guys how big is this cryptocurrency already, and remember, it just started mining about a month ago, month and a half. Look at this article. Chinese coin miners flock to new cryptocurrency CHIA, resulting in hard drive shortages and price surges in Asia. China creators say they want to reduce some of the problems associated with traditional coin mining such as e-waste, but the prices of hard drives have surged in China on online platforms and in offline markets. So right now in Asia, it's really hard to find any hard drives available. Even if you go to Amazon, let's say, it will be already hard to buy any 14, 16, or 18 terabyte hard drives because people are just buying them instantly. For some of those hard drives, you would have to wait until end of May, beginning of June. So to give you an idea who is behind this cryptocurrency and why I personally think that this cryptocurrency can be a next big thing, I'm going to point to three people on this page. So this is CHIA Network Public, and CHIA is building a better cryptocurrency. So there are three admins here that I want to point out. First person is Bram Cohen. So who is Bram Cohen? Bram Cohen is American computer programmer best known as the author of peer-to-peer BitTorrent protocol, as well as the first file sharing program to use the protocol, also known as BitTorrent. So you probably heard about BitTorrent. Every time you want to download something, you either go to official website or you go to BitTorrent. There are hundreds of millions of people using BitTorrent, and Bram Cohen is the guy behind it. So he is also a part of the CHIA members. Next person on this list who is very interesting is Gene Hoffman. So who is Gene Hoffman? Gene Hoffman is a serial entrepreneur and former youngest Nasdaq CEO. He has built and sold many companies, and he worked with PGP, Vivendi Universal, and Amdocs. He has 21 years of working in high compliance environments with 12 years of managing PCI and PSI 16 compliance with a source of 220 million credit cards. Hoffman has built and scaled companies in enterprise software and SaaS, consumer subscriptions, cryptography, and software development. He has led teams from 3 guys who were his friends to nearly 500 people. He has raised over $150 million in public and private markets. So he is a very big guy. And the last person I would like to show you is this person right here, Mitch Edwards. So who's Mitch Edwards? Mitch Edwards is CEO, CFO, and GC of public and private high technology, e-commerce, blockchain, cryptocurrency, consumer electronics, internet, entertainment, and consumer brands companies. So he was CFO of Core Scientific. He was acting chief executive officer of Overstock.com. He was chief financial officer and general counsel for Razer Inc. He was chief financial officer and general counsel of Skullcandy. He was chief financial officer and general counsel of BitTorrent Inc. And this list just goes on and on and on. And now Mitch Edwards is CFO and GC at CHIA Network. So there are some huge names behind the CHIA cryptocurrency. A lot of those cryptocurrencies that are popular in the world right now have nothing behind them. This have a lot. This have some major names in the industry that are behind them. Just Brandcoin by himself is one of the biggest guys in the industry. And the last thing I would like to show you guys is how fast this network grows. So on this chart here, we can see the net space. So the space allocated to CHIA Network. That's pretty much the space that was allocated to CHIA Network, but just regular people like me and you guys. Let's say if you have a hard drive, maybe you have a 1 terabyte hard drive, and you can allocate some of that space to just farming the CHIA, and we'll be doing that in background while you do your own business. So this chart shows from 20th of March, which was just a little over a month ago. So you can see that space allocated to CHIA Network is growing rapidly, especially in the last few days. Just to give you an idea, the space here is shown in petabytes. So currently the CHIA network space is 1117 petabyte. To give you an idea, 1 petabyte is 1000 terabytes. So the net space is enormous already. At the time of recording this video, the net space is more than 1,100,000 terabytes of space allocated just to CHIA network. On this page, you can see a CHIA network calculator. So this can come very handy if you would like to do some CHIA plotting and farming, and if you want to know what you can do, how many terabytes you need to be able to get some CHIA, and how much possibly you can make monthly. So if we go at the top here and let's say choose terabytes, and let's say you were able to allocate 100 terabytes, which is a lot. In my case, I'm able to do so. I bought a few hard drives, and I'm be allocating around 100 terabytes, at least at this particular moment. And I want to know how much of the return I can get. So right now, it is expected to win about 3 days. So within 3 days, I might be able to get 1 block, and 1 block is 2 CHIA coins. So it takes quite a while. If it's say I have 200 terabytes, which is a lot of terabytes, in my expected time to win would be approximately 1 day. Now, let's go back to 100 terabytes. The biggest thing about CHIA network right now is that you don't know how much this coin gonna cost. So some people say it might cost $20 per CHIA, 20 USD dollars per CHIA. We can see it on the bottom here. It says 20. Some people say it might cost only $2. Some people say it might cost $100 or $200 as soon as it starts trading on May 3rd. Nobody knows. But based on some research I did, it is possible we can see the price for CHIA about $100. So with $100, if I have 100 terabytes and the price of CHIA $100, I can make approximately $2,300 or maybe $2,400 a month. But that's in a good case. And here's an estimated cost of how much it's going to cost me to buy 100 terabytes. It says approximately $2,250. So if it is true that this CHIA coin going to cost as much as $100 per coin, I'm pretty much going to recover all my initial investments within just 1 month. But again, no one knows. This is a very high risk, but possibly very high reward investment. Now, something I found on the internet, there are currently some futures trading, very, very low volume futures trading for CHIA. Prices there are extremely high. in my opinion, unreasonably high. So some people are trading futures and they are trading them for $900 per coin. So if I put $900 in here, that's like $21,000 a month. I don't think that's going to happen. I think reasonably to expect maybe $20 at the beginning, and then within a couple of weeks, as soon as more people are going to hear about, they're going to start trading, buying more and more. The price might go up to $100 per coin. That is very possible in my opinion. And if it happens, and if you are mining CHIA, you are going to be a pretty happy person because your return of investment going to be within 100% within 1 month. So once again, guys, I personally believe in this cryptocurrency, and I already built a rig. In my next video, I'm going to post hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to have an overview of what parts I bought and how much that kind of cost me. And I'll also go through how I installed all the software and all the hardware into the computer. And if you're interested to see that, please make sure you subscribe so you're not going to miss it tomorrow. Now, again, I personally think this is a very nice opportunity because it's very early stage right now. Even though it's growing rapidly, I've never seen anything growing that fast, but it's still early stages. So it's still a possibility of jumping. Now, this is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment, consider subscribing. If you smash that like button, that'll show YouTube algorithm that you like this kind of videos, and it will help me to understand what kind of videos you guys want to see and create more content for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for your time and have a great day.